What's up, folks? What's happening? All right, Whit, here we are. We're in the library of the historical Hotel Defuniak, my home base. And this place is incredible. I mean, you know, it was built over 100 years ago by the Freemasons, historical landmark. But you know, it's really something else. You know, the Hotel Defuniak also has another mystique that a lot of people know about, and that's the hauntings, right?
Oh, the hauntings.
Yes. And we are known now as one of the most haunted hotels in the state of Florida. Numerous paranormal groups have toured through here. Some of the television ones like Shadow Chasers, Ghost Hunters, Ghosts of the South. It's really interesting.
I just got goosebumps.
Yes. But you know, this is not like one of those haunted places that's spooky. It's more of a fun haunted place. There's over 30 spirits and ghosts that have been documented here. And it's a lot of old patrons, the old owners, the young children, but it's really interesting. So if you like that kind of thing, come check us out.
You gotta check this place out.
But you know what? We're here to show them about Chef Ernie cooking on my home base, right? So let's get cooking. We're gonna start off with some butter. Because you know, Grandma used to always say, everything tastes better with butter, baby. You remember her? She loved that butter, boy. Come on. Next up, we need sausage. Now, this ain't no ordinary sausage either. This is andouille sausage, straight from Louisiana. It's a coarse ground sausage, and the sausage has all the flavor. So you're gonna see, I mean, it's not like you really have to spice this too much because the sausage itself is gonna have so much flavor. And so what I'm doing right now, guys, and look, we just wanna get this cooking in here, right? We want that grease, we want that flavor from the sausage in there. So we're building on flavor right now. See, that's why I love to teach this dish, because we build in flavor. Next up, shrimp, baby.
Ooh, yeah. Look at that.
There you go. These are some beautiful Gulf of Mexico shrimp. My favorite. I love the gray shrimps from the Gulf. This is what you get when you're in Louisiana, baby. This is the good stuff. I don't like the white or pink shrimp. I like the gray or the brown shrimp. That's my favorite. That's when you know you got Gulf shrimp, when you got gray or brown shrimp. Just depends on the season.
You have to have a little bell pepper.
Absolutely. And you know, I'm gonna tell you, to me, bell pepper is what makes New Orleans. You know, if you don't have the bell pepper in the gumbo, if you don't have the bell pepper in the etouffee or in this dish, it's just not gonna be right. And some people go skimpy on the bell pepper. Heck no. You wanna taste like New Orleans, you wanna taste like Creole, you better have that bell pepper in there. That's all I'm gonna tell you. All right, good. Now we wanna just saute that down. Next up.
Onion.
Yeah, not just onion. In this dish, I like the red onion, but you know, I call them purple onion, but they're called red onion. And I like that for the color, baby. It gives it that Mardi Gras color. Let's go. Mardi Gras, baby. Purple, green, and gold. So you see, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit more butter at this point right here, right now. Add that to it right there, okay? And now at this point, we haven't even added any seasoning whatsoever. And we're just sauteing our vegetables in with our shrimp and with our andouille sausage. You see what I'm doing there with? This is when the vegetables are starting to break down and all the sugar's coming out, and you're really gonna get all the flavor as they saute down. That's exactly what you're looking for. So now when you get down to this point, guys, okay? Now we wanna add some of our seasoning. Let's go. Oh, let's just hold on tomato. Hold on tomato. I wanna go a little bit of this here. This is my Creole seasoning, my private blend that we use. There we go. Now a little salt and pepper. What do you think about that?
Gotta have a little salt and pepper.
Gotta have a little bit of salt and pepper. Come on now. Then I gotta have a little garlic powder. Gotta have a little garlic. A lot of ingredients go in this, and so we're just building the layers of flavors, guys. So now we're gonna let these seasonings kind of blend in right now with the vegetables.
Oh, it smells so good already.
That smells great. Okay, wait now. Some of that lemon. Give me a big wedge of lemon. One wedge of lemon. And I like fresh lemon, guys. Now, if you had like lemon pepper or some kind of lemon seasoning, you can substitute that here. But nothing is a substitute for fresh lemon, baby. And the citrus of that fresh lemon. You gotta have that fresh lemon, baby. AYEEE! All right. Now we'll take the tomatoes. And I always go with the tomatoes last because, you know, they're a little bit softer. They're gonna break down a little easier. And I love the color. You see now how we got all that beautiful color in there, Whitney?
It looks so good.
Oh, look. It not only does it taste great, it looks great. Your guests are gonna love it. They're gonna just be fired up. Now we're gonna add the Creole side. Give me some of that red sauce.
All right.
Yes, this is actually a Creole tomato gravy that we make here in the restaurant daily, and we use it in our shrimp and grits that we make, and some of our other wonderful dishes. So we're gonna add that to this right now. And then we're gonna warm that gravy, which is already cooked in there with it. Saute it down. We got one more thing I wanna do, is some of this cream. We're gonna hit it with a little splash of that cream right there.
Oh, baby.
Right. Yes. See how it's creaming up, Rick? You see that?
Yes.
See how you get that cream up right there? And here we go. We're gonna go ahead and plate this up for you. This is actually Gouda Parmesan Yellowstone ground grits. These kind of grits come from a little farm in Alabama, and then we cook them down with all the cheese, butter, salt and pepper, and a lot of love. We actually serve our full menu from open to close, and not many restaurants do that. I mean, you could come in here at lunchtime and get a prime rib or shrimp and grits or a stuffed redfish Nola. Check this out, guys. We're gonna do a little something like that right there, and let me finish a little on top.
That looks amazing. I'm ready to eat it.
Here we go. What's that, huh? How's that look, Rick? What's up?